Chapter 5 Computational Thinking Learning Outcomes. At the end of this lesson, student will be able to comprehend computational thinking and its importance. Know the components of computational thinking. Warm up. You are Mario. Tick mark the things you will think of while playing this game. What items do you need to collect? Determine the exit and the fastest way to reach the finish line. Different types of enemies and ways to destroy them. Teacher's note. Inform students that you always analyze the situation and think of actions to work out a strategy for completing the level in the most efficient way. This is a problem-solving procedure. Hey friends, do you know that computational thinking is an interrelated set of skills and practice for solving complex problems? Let us learn about it. What is computational thinking? Computational thinking is the step that comes before programming. It's the process of breaking down a problem into simpler enough steps. This can be connected to high-order thinking skills and is not bound only to computers. It is a method of problem solving that aids the user in comprehending, interpreting, and resolving issues. Let me answer. In what situations do we apply high-order thinking skills? Computational thinking involves logical segmenting a problem into smaller segments, application of general concept of broken problems, searching for recurring patterns in the problem, determining relevant details and omitting the unnecessary ones, follow an algorithm to make decision and produce the right answer. Key skills of computational thinking. There are 4 key skills in computational thinking: decomposition, pattern recognition, pattern abstraction, algorithm design. Decomposition. Decomposition is the method of breaking complicated issue into smaller, more manageable pieces. When a problem is considered in its whole, many problems appear too much, which cause confusion. But when a problem is broken down into parts, it makes getting at the solution easier step by step away. Any work that is completed sequentially is easier to complete and facilitates understanding of the steps. Remember it. Pattern recognition is the special ability of the human brain to not only find the pattern but figure out is a logical way. Pattern recognition. A pattern is a repeated design. Our brain recognizes a variety of patterns in daily life. The process of pattern identification is crucial in computational thinking, since it allows the user to find solution in more quickly. Once a problem is broken down, discovering patterns in the broken parts simplifies work. Pattern abstraction. Let me answer. Have you ever heard word decomposition in some other subject? A problem can be made easier to think about by abstraction. This entails concealing irrelevant data and displaying just relevant information. It is one step that helps us to arrive at a logical conclusion. Algorithm design. Algorithm design is setting out the steps and rules needed to follow in order to achieve the desired outcome. Importance of computational thinking. Develops reasoning and logical thinking. Aids in understanding patterns and sequence. Once established, an algorithm can also be employed in the future, saving time. By using computational thinking, one not only identifies the issue but also offers a solution. Do you know? Computational thinking is the mental skill to apply fundamental concept and reasoning. Flowchart in computational thinking. The quickest and cleanest way to solve any problem is to define the issue and work your way through a flowchart step by step. Let us work through a flowchart on how to make a cup of coffee. Start. Fill kettle. Heat water. Is water boiling? Pour water in a cup. Put coffee pouch and milk. Stop! Kids IQ. What is the most of the key skill of computational thinking which start with letter D and ends with letter N? Let's recall. 1. Computational thinking is a problem-solving process. 2. Computational thinking is the process of breaking down a complex problem into simple enough steps. 3. A problem can be made easier to think about by abstraction. 4. Decomposition is the method of breaking complicated issue into smaller, more manageable pieces. 5. A pattern is a repeated design. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Computational thinking is the step that comes before dash. Answer: programming. 2. A dash is a repeated design. Answer: pattern. 3. The process of breaking up a problem into manageable and understandable portion is known as dash. Answer: computational thinking. 4. Computational thinking aids in understanding dash and dash. Answer: patterns and sequence. 5. Computational thinking can be connected to dash skill. Answer: reasoning. B. Write T for true statements and F for false statement. 1. An algorithm once established can be used at later times. Answer: false. 2. Pattern reference is one of the key skill of computational thinking. Answer: false. 3. When a problem is broken down into parts, it makes getting at the solution easily. Answer: true. 4. Our brain is not capable of recognizing a variety of patterns. Answer: false. 5. Computational thinking not only identifies issues but also offers a solution. Answer: true. C. Answer in one word. 1. The method of breaking complicated issue into smaller, more manageable pieces. Answer: decomposition. 2. The process of identifying a pattern. Answer: pattern recognition. 3. This key element of computational thinking hides the irrelevant data and displays just relevant information. Answer: pattern abstraction. 4. Setting out the steps and rules needed to follow in order to achieve desired outcomes. Answer: algorithm design. 5. The quickest and cleanest way to solve any problem. Answer: computational thinking. D. Answer the following question. 1. What is computational thinking? Answer: computational thinking is the process of breaking down a problem into simple enough steps. 2. What is the importance of computational thinking? Answer: computational thinking logical segments a problem into smaller segments. It is a method of problem solving that aids the user in comprehending, interpreting and solving issues. 3. Name the key skills of computational thinking. Explain any two. Answer: there are 4 key skills in computational thinking. 1. Decomposition. 2. Pattern recognition. 3. Pattern abstraction. 4. Algorithm design. 4. Define the algorithm with an example. Answer: algorithm design is the process of laying out the steps and rules that must be followed in order to achieve the desired result. 5. What is pattern recognition? Answer: the process of pattern identification is crucial in computational thinking since it allows the user to find solutions more quickly. Once a problem is broken down, discovering pattern in the broken parts simplifies work. Critical thinking. Which dice completes the domino pattern? Answer: student will do it themselves. Teamwork. Work with your partner. You and your cousin are planning to meet after a long time. You all are looking for probable options. Complete the flowchart using the instruction given to come to a result. Cousin meetup. Meetup point. The place where you would go. Who wants to do what? Answer: students will do it themselves.